GPT Image 2 is one of the biggest upgrades in AI image generation right now. Because this is not just another AI art tool anymore. It can generate realistic advertisements, thumbnails, restaurant menus, social media carousel posts, mockups, photorealistic edits. Editing and prompt understanding are honestly insane. So in this video, I'll show you some of the best real-world use cases of GPT Image 2 and why creators and designers are using it right now. Today I'm showing you one of the most powerful AI creative tools right now, GPT Image 2 on jxp.com. And before we start, JXP AI is an all-in-one AI platform specialized in high-quality video and image generation. This tool is honestly a complete package for creators, graphic designers, marketers, YouTubers, and even beginners. You can literally type what you want in plain English, and it creates professional quality visuals in seconds. Unlike old AI tools that struggle with text, design consistency, or realistic edits, GPT Image 2 focuses on better text rendering, natural language editing, photorealism, consistent character generation, high-resolution outputs, fast rendering, and creative flexibility. So for today's testing, we are not using ChatGPT directly. We'll be using GPT Image 2 through JXP. The link is in the description. Once you open the website, just sign up and you'll instantly get free credits to start generating images. And the platform is super simple to use. You just enter your prompt, upload an image if needed, and generate. So now let's start the test and see how good GPT Image 2 actually is. Advertisement generation test. Let's start with advertisement design. This is probably one of the strongest features of GPT Image 2. Prompt. All right, the image is generated, and honestly, this looks super realistic. Movie poster generation. Now let's test movie poster generation. This is honestly one of the coolest use cases because GPT Image 2 understands cinematic composition really well. Prompt. Okay, this one is decent. Infographic generation. One of the most useful features for students, teachers, and content creators is infographic generation. Prompt. This is surprisingly organized. UI design generation. Now let's test UI generation. This is very useful for app designers and startups because creating first drafts normally takes a lot of time. Prompt. All right, this actually looks really good. Comic/manga generation. Now this one is really fun. GPT Image 2 is surprisingly good at comic and manga style storytelling. Time-lapse style images. Another super creative feature is timeline or progression visuals. Prompt. Okay, this is super creative. Photorealism. This might be one of the craziest features. Prompt. This is honestly scary, realistic. Magazine cover. Now, let's talk about editorial design. Prompt. Okay, this genuinely looks like a real magazine cover. Book mockup. Next, book mockups. Prompt. Wow, this mockup looks very realistic. Instagram carousel. One of the most underrated use cases is carousel generation. Prompt. Okay, this is actually impressive. YouTube thumbnails. If you're a YouTuber, this might become your favorite feature. Now, this is what I'm talking about. restaurant menu. Next, restaurant menu generation, prompt. Okay, this looks really good. Image manipulation and editing. And now the craziest part, image manipulation, prompt. All right, this is where GPT Image 2 becomes really powerful. Icon packs. Now, this is really useful for designers. All the icons match each other stylistically. The lighting stays consistent. Now, this is really useful for designers. Color analysis kit. Now, this is another really interesting use case. You can upload a face photo, and GPT Image 2 can generate a full color analysis kit. Okay, this actually looks really professional. So why is GPT Image 2 on JXP actually good? Because it combines strong text rendering, fast generation, realistic outputs, editing tools, multiple aspect ratios, and simple prompting. It's basically an all-in-one AI design workflow. What makes JXP really useful is that it combines image generation, editing, upscaling, character consistency, photorealism, and AI video generation inside one platform. So instead of using 5 different tools, you can do almost everything in one workflow. Now, let's quickly talk about pricing. JXP AI offers different plans depending on your creative needs. Link in description. This tool can seriously level up your workflow. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next upload. See you in the next one.